Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we finished with BBC creation and routing. Now this is time to set up security group. Well, we can create security group on the fly as well, but I'd like to plan ahead so that we can use it when we need. So let's go ahead and create security group. To create security group, we can use this EC2 section. Okay, we're going to need lots of security groups. So what I do is I just go to security group here. So by default, when we created BBC, it created a default security group. So I don't want to use default security group, but I want to create a security group with my own name, unique name that describe the purpose. So as I mentioned before, I need a security group for my front-end Django app. In this demo, we don't have any application load balancer because we want to focus on network load balancing. So the traffic from the internet will be directly hitting at our Django applications, but we want to allow only HTTP traffic. And also I need to allow myself to access EC2 instance through secure cell. So let's go ahead and create these two rules for this Django applications. So security group name, that's where we need to be very descriptive, that we know that where it goes. So this security group name is for Django application, right? So simply I can say Django application security group. So let's describe the function of the security group. So it allows HTTP traffic from internet and allows myself to this to the EC2 from secure cell. Need to select BBC, that's the BBC, and let's create the rules. The first rule is we want HTTP traffic from internet wide, that's why we can select anywhere, and secure cell traffic from my laptop alone only, so my IP. So because I need access to this EC2 instance to configure Django app, and not only that, I'm going to use this the EC2 instance as a bastion host, so I need access. But outbound rule is by default it's very wide and open, so we don't have any problem with that. And create security group. Okay, now we have the first security group in place. Now we can go ahead and create a second security group. So we need security group before network load balancer. So we need to make sure that network load balancer only receive traffic originating from our Django application. So we can allow all the traffic from Django application security group members. Okay, so let's go ahead and create this security group. So we want to say a very descriptive name for our network load balancer. So let's say network load balancer security group. That tells us that it is before network load balancer. And let's describe this, the function allow, well, we can allow all traffic originating from Django application, Django application, and we can select the BBC and add a rule. So simply we can say all traffic, but custom, we need to select custom and just type SG security group. Which security group is this? This is Django application security group. So that means any traffic originated from the member of the security group will be allowed to talk to this, the EC2 instance or network load balancer, which is good. And we can go ahead and create security group now. Finally, we need one more security group that goes before backend MySQL DB service. So let's go ahead and create this security group. So I want to call this MySQL database security group. Allows all traffic coming from a network load balancer security group. We need to select PPC and add rule. When I say all traffic from custom, security group is network load balancer. So what does that mean? Any member of this security group, which is network load balancer security group, will be able to talk to this backend MySQL server. Let's go ahead and save it. So now we have a security group in place, and in the next video I will be launching 2 EC2 instance and configure. See you in the next video.